Hey, car fans! Welcome back to Car Hub Family, the place where we dive into everything that roars, accelerates, and turns heads. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss out on our latest car reviews, news, and everything automotive. Cut to host standing in front of a stunning 2025 Mustang RTR, the engine running. Host, today, we've got something wild for you. The 2025 Mustang RTR is here, and it's ready to blow your mind. Ford has teamed up with the tuning experts at RTR Vehicles to bring us this aggressive, track-ready pony car. In this video, we're going to break down what makes this beast stand out, from its sleek looks to the raw power under the hood. Let's take a closer look. Scene, close-up shots of the Mustang RTR exterior. A aggressive front grille, hood vents, and striking design details. Host, voiceover. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Mustang RTR is built to make an entrance. This thing is as aggressive as it is beautiful. You get a redesigned front grille that screams performance, complete with that menacing RTR badging right in front. The hood features functional vents, optimizing airflow to keep the engine cool during those high-speed runs. And let's not forget those bold, wide-body fender flares that give it a more muscular stance. Scene, quick cuts of the car driving through twisty roads and on the track. Host, but the looks are just the beginning. Underneath all this muscle, the 2025 Mustang RTR is packing some serious power. We're talking about a 5.0 liters V8 that churns out 500 horsepower and 420 pounds-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, and that's not even the top of the line. For those looking for even more performance, you can also get the RTR's Special Edition package with a supercharger, pushing the power to over 700 horsepower. Scene, animated graphics showing key specs of the car. Host, here's a quick look at the specs. Engine, 5.0 liters V8, standard. Horsepower, 500 horsepower, standard. Torque, 420 pounds-feet. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.1 seconds. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Supercharged option, over 700 horsepower. Scene, close-up shots of the car's interior. A racing-inspired seats, steering wheel, and tech features. Host, step inside, and the Mustang RTR continues to impress. The interior is designed with the driver in mind, featuring Recaro racing seats to keep you snug during those high G-turns, a flat-bottom steering wheel that feels like you're holding the road, and a digital cockpit that's packed with tech. The Sync 4 system offers seamless connectivity, and the digital display gives you real-time performance stats, so you always know how your Mustang is performing. Scene, Mustang RTR speeding down a straight road, engine roaring. Host, voiceover. But let's talk about performance. The RTR isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also track-ready, thanks to a sports-tuned suspension, upgraded Magna-Ride dampers, and a set of Michelin Pilot Sport tires that provide ultimate grip. Whether you're taking it to the track or enjoying a spirited drive on the open road, this car handles like a dream. Scene, quick shots of the car's exhaust, showing off the aggressive sound. Host, one of the things that makes the Mustang so iconic is that unforgettable exhaust note, and the 2025 Mustang RTR takes it to the next level. With a specially tuned Borla exhaust system, every time you hit the gas, that signature V8 growl will send chills down your spine. Scene, host standing next to the car, talking directly to the camera. Host, so, who's this car for? If you want a Mustang that combines the everyday usability of the GT with the track-ready performance of a race car, the Mustang RTR is your answer. This is a car that demands respect, whether you're carving up corners or just cruising the streets. It's bold, it's fast, and it's ready to dominate. Scene, action shot of the car accelerating through a mountain pass, sun setting in the background. Host, voiceover. With its perfect blend of power, performance, and styling, the 2025 Mustang RTR is a dream car for any enthusiast. Whether you're looking for something to tear up the track or just enjoy a thrilling ride on your favorite roads, the RTR is ready for it all. Scene, host in front of the car, wrapping up the video. Host, you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to hit the road in the 2025 Mustang RTR? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you loved this review, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Hub Family for more awesome car content just like this. Host, you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engines roaring and your wheels turning. See you soon.